So I've played a lot of games made with Unity, and a lot of them have this feature, the settings that you can actually change between full screen mode or windowed mode. But when you change to windowed mode, it seems that you can't maximize the window. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can do exactly that, how you can actually make a game that can be full screened or maximized windowed inside of Unity. In this video I'm showing you also how to toggle between full screen and windowed mode through script. So first things first, what you need to do is go to File, Build Settings, and over here we need to go to Player Settings. This window will pop up. I will drag it on this side to see it a bit better. You can close this window if you want to. Now select the Player tab. I have that already selected, and go under the Standalone section under the Resolution and Presentation. Over here we need to tweak some settings. First of all, we need to have the full screen mode to exclusive full screen. Next, we need to have toggled the Allow Full Screen switch. This one, have that toggled, have that on. Next, we need to toggle on the resizable window over here. Toggle that on. Now, that's actually everything. So now I'm going to be showing you how to toggle between full screen and windowed modes through script. So over here I have a simple canvas with a toggle, and no, nothing too crazy. So under the canvas I will add a script, let's call it something like full screen toggle, and for a bit easier, there we go, and wait to compile. So inside of the scripts, it's pretty easy, just delete everything, we don't really need that, and we are going to make so I'm going to make a public void, call it full screen, and we'll take a boolean. Let's say it is full screen. Now what that allows us to do is to go into our toggle that we have in Unity and say that every time that we hit, we want to run this code and change this boolean. To be able to toggle between windowed mode and full screen mode through script is actually pretty simple. Now there's only one line of code that you need to write, and this is the screen.fullscreen, and that will equal to a boolean, which will in this case is full screen boolean. If you go under the toggle and on the value change takes a boolean, we'll make press the plus button and then drag in the canvas object. Now from here you need to select a function that will run whenever the toggle was pressed. The function that we want is the full screen toggle over here, and that sits under the toggle full screen toggle script, and it's the full screen function. Now you can actually see the full screen function is appearing twice on this list, under the dynamic boolean section and under the static parameters section. Now the difference between these two is pretty simple. Under the dynamic boolean section is actually whenever you press the toggle, it will take, if the function actually takes a boolean, will set this boolean equal to what the toggle is actually equal to. In this case, if it's on, it will equal to true, and if it's off, it will equal to false. Under the static parameters, it will just run the script. So whenever you press the toggle, we set the boolean to whatever this is. Now we want that Unity automatically sets the boolean to true or false depending on what the value of the toggle is. So we need to select full screen under the dynamic boolean section. So that's all it. Now if we press play, you can actually select and deselect, and you can see the is_on value on the toggle script is updating, but we can't really see if the full screen is actually working properly. So what we can do about that is go down here and add a debug.log statement. Let's say full screen, and then is, and then the is full screen. So if we play, if we press it, it says full screen is false, so it's not full screen, and full screen is true, that is full screen. Now if you hit build and run, just select where you want that, select this folder, and wait for a bit to build. Then we have the toggle. If we press that off, we wait for a sec, and you can actually maximize the window. And now if we press again the toggle, we'll switch to full screen. Now you probably, there we go, it's updated. Yeah, it takes a bit of time. There we go. So that's how you can actually set up a game in Unity to be either full screen or maximized windowed. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like it and subscribe for more content like this. So see you on the next video. Bye.